This video will review the mentor observations that you will conduct twice during the program year. You'll be conducting these observations during the ILP Part 1 process and again in the spring semester during inquiry. The observation has 3 parts: the pre-observation meeting, the observation itself, and the post-observation meeting where you will debrief with your candidate. Please check Canvas for the due dates of your 2 mentor observations. There are many resources in Canvas to support you in conducting a successful observation of your candidate. These include a guide to mentor observation, optional observation tools, tools to support the observation planning and debrief, as well as video observation resources. The purpose of the observation is to collect data to share with your candidate to help them reflect and grow, and thus the mentor observation is for candidate growth only. It is confidential between you and the candidate and cannot be used for evaluation of the candidate or shared with an administrator. For the observation, you can observe your candidate in person, join your candidate's online class if this applies, or watch a recording of a lesson. Be sure both you and the candidate follow all district guidelines and policies regarding guests in online and in-person classes, as well as recording students. You and your candidate will share 2 sub-days this year to cover your 2 observations, as well as the focused teacher observation that your candidate has to conduct. It may be possible that an admin is willing to cover your class. Perhaps you have a prep period or other means that does not require a substitute. Please use the least amount of sub-coverage that is needed to accomplish program requirements. When a substitute is required, please follow district protocol in securing a substitute. If you are unsure of this process, please contact your lead mentor. You will also need to complete the substitute coverage form and submit it to your lead mentor if you utilize a sub. This will ensure that your district or school is reimbursed for the cost of your sub. Prior to conducting the actual observation, you will need to have a pre-observation meeting during your weekly time with your candidate. Please note the pre-observation in your mentor log. During the pre-observation meeting, you and the candidate will discuss the objective of the lesson that you're going to observe and what the candidate would like you to focus on. This is important so that you will know what kind of data you will be collecting during the observation. There are several observation tools in Canvas that you can use to collect data, or you can use one of your own. The tool that you use should match the data you are collecting. To find the available tools, click on the Observations button on your homepage in Canvas. When conducting your observation, you will stay as long as you need to collect the data you need. Typically, this is no less than 15 minutes, but usually not longer than an hour. After the observation, you will have a post-observation meeting with your candidate. We recommend that you have some time between the observation and post-observation meeting, which allows for reflection. So perhaps you will conduct it at your next weekly meeting. There are resources in Canvas to help you with this meeting. Be sure to note the post-observation on your mentor log as well. Once you have completed the observation process, click on the Observations button on your homepage of Canvas to upload your observation tool. Remember, this can be one of the available tools provided in Canvas or your own version. If you have any additional questions about the mentor observation, please contact your lead mentor.